Hey guys, I'm CJ with the Trading Collective, an educational based community of traders. Today we're going to be talking about the RSI, what it is, and how to use it. So first guys, if you don't mind smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm, it really helps us out. And so what you're looking at right now is a candle chart, a Heikin-Ashi candle chart of Apple on TradingView. TradingView is a free platform which you can use to chart and do analysis on anything from stocks such as Apple to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. So I'll show you first how to use or how to add the indicator, the RSI indicator. So you go to the top at FX indicators. You go search RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index. You'll add it. You'll see it pop up on the bottom. Now, when you're looking at the RSI, you're looking for those two white lines, those dashed horizontal lines. So what that is, that top line is at 70, which you can see right above me. And then what's hiding, I'm hiding the 30. The 30 is what this line runs into on the right side. So that's between the top range is 70, the bottom is at 30, and this purple line running through is the indicator itself. So what the RSI is showing you is when something's being overbought or oversold. That's simply what it's telling you. So down here at the bottom of the RSI, you're seeing a low point for Apple. And then up here at the top of the RSI, you're seeing a high point for Apple. So that is what it's showing you. It's showing you when Apple is being oversold. When it's oversold, it's at the bottom end of the RSI. And it needs to reverse, and it needs to be overbought again. So it will be going back up. And when it's being overbought to the point that it's at or above this white line, you'll start to see it fall back down again. Fall back down again. Come back up again, like it did here. So yeah, that's what the RSI is. That's how you use it. You're basically looking for trend reversal. So you're seeing it coming down here, finding its bottom down here and coming back into the range for the RSI, going up towards the top, coming down towards the bottom again, all the way bottomed out here, coming back up. So yeah, that's the RSI indicator. If you guys like this video, again, please hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. We have our website up with more educational content. If you look in the description, you'll see our link. Thank you guys, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your days.